Hello, welcome back. Here's your tech informant. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are returning back, thanks for joining. So in today's video, I'm going to shed more light about the new YouTube monetization process that YouTube released recently, although it has been there for some years, but it was extended to some other new countries early this year. So some creators reach out to me to complain that they don't have this option in their AdSense account. So I'm going to explain the reason why in this video, and also if you don't have access to this new monetization process, what you can do to fasten or to make your YouTube monetization process to go very fast. Now, the reason why you can't have access to this is that currently this new YouTube monetization process is available to 24 countries. And out of these 24 countries, 6 are in Africa, so Nigeria included. So if you're in any of these countries, instead of you waiting for PIN, you just need to verify yourself, and in a matter of minutes, everything about your YouTube verification or AdSense monetization is done. So you don't have much to do, because even some creators come back to me and told me that they are still expecting their PIN. But on checking their AdSense account, I discovered that they don't need to wait for the PIN anymore. So this process just takes minutes instead of the several months that it normally takes. Now, if you don't have option to this new monetization process, and you feel that you can't wait for several months to get your AdSense PIN, and understand that if you don't verify yourself or verify your AdSense account within 4 days, YouTube will demonetize your channel. So what this means is that when you reach the threshold, when you reach the 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscriber count, when you cross that threshold, when you apply and YouTube accepts you into their partner program, so there's another process you need to go through, and that is the verification process. That is where this new YouTube monetization process comes in. So during this process, YouTube will monetize your channel. You'll be getting revenue into your from your channel, from your YouTube channel, but you can't withdraw any of this money. And many creators have lost hundreds and even thousands of dollars just because they failed during this process. You need to be attentive within this process. So if you don't verify your AdSense within 4 months, YouTube will demonetize your channel. And if you attempt this process severally, more than the required time, YouTube will suspend your account. So any money you have in your AdSense, or all the money you have made in your YouTube channel will be suspended. You won't have access to it again. So now, for you to make this process faster, you go to your Google AdSense account, go to payment. Under payment, you click on manage settings. So right on manage settings, you go to your name, and then you add your phone number. Let me assume that this is my phone number, and then you put it in a bracket beside your name. So when you are done with this, you submit it. So you might ask, what's the reason, or why doing all this? The reason is because when YouTube sends your PIN, it comes in form of a parcel. And in most cases, like what I've experienced, when I got to a post office, I discovered that there are hundreds of AdSense parcel just lying there without anybody coming to claim them. So when you put your phone number beside your name, when it gets to the postal office, I think anyone that have access to it, or any staff there, can just pick your PIN and pick the parcel and call the number there and tell you to come and pick it. So it will be much easier for them to contact you through your phone number. So majority that couldn't get their PIN, majority of them is because there's no one to contact them, or there's no means of contacting them to let them know that their PIN has arrived in the postal office. So henceforth, if you are putting your name, especially if in your country, if the postal system is not fantastic, all you need to do, just add your phone number beside your name, and then resend the PIN in your AdSense account, and that will go. And again, if for any reason you've tried it like more than 4 times you've resent the pin more than 4 times and there's no solution, or the pin never come, you can then use the AdSense pin troubleshooter. So with this AdSense pin troubleshooter, YouTube will require you to submit additional documents, and then with those additional documents, you don't need the pin, so YouTube will just automatically verify you. So that's how it works. So shortly I'll be going live. I've been going live on this channel in the past 16-17 days. So join me later today as I go live, and we'll talk more about this in my live, and also explain other things and how we can prepare ourselves for the new year coming around. So also, if you have issues with your monetization, maybe you've reached the monetization threshold and you have issues with your AdSense, or you want me to process your AdSense from submitting it, verifying it, and make sure you get your first revenue into your bank account, you can sign up to my AdSense support program, where in that platform I'll be able to resolve everything from the beginning to the end while you just relax, and I will use your personal details to do all that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe so that you won't miss helpful videos like this on this channel. And also don't forget to share this video to other creators and also those in your community, because this could be a lifesaver. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.